Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're just taking a little short, quick ride on the Super Ride S1000. My gig user, he doesn't think I use it anymore, but here I am. Somebody's throwing away some dolphins and vacuum cleaners. But what we're doing today is we're testing out a new camera, and if you follow my channel at all, you probably have a pretty good idea of which one it is. And it is the Insta360 1X2. Now, I've been fascinated with 360 cameras for a long time, but I've never actually made the jump to actually buy one and try one out. And I've been super busy with all my Amazon reviews. I was like 30 products behind, and I'm starting to slowly get caught up. And so I've been neglecting my channel, trying to make up ground and trying to get caught up with all that. And so I really need to get back on my channel and get it growing in the right direction, because it's pretty plateaued right now, and that's 100% my fault. But anyway, what do you guys think right now or so far of the Insta360 1X2? We're going to be playing with the different looks, the different widths, linear mode, wide mode, fisheye, little planet, all of the above. And we're going to be using the we're going to be playing with all the different types of keyframes and different angles and looking around the neighborhood. And who knows, maybe we'll see something exciting on our little trip. Not too hopeful for that. It's just a nice, calm, sunny Sunday day. But right now, my current setup, I do have the Rode Wireless Go on there. And I built myself a little bracket so it keeps the Rode Wireless Go completely even with the side of the 1X2, so it stays out of the stitching area, out of the 360. And I know Ulanzi makes one. It's called I think it's called the PT20 or the something 20. And I looked everywhere for it. I couldn't even find it on their site. It said no longer available. So I just got a piece of flat aluminum, bent it, cut some slots in it, and made my own. Last thing we want to see is Steve WB getting hit by a car in 360 glory. Well, let's go ahead. We're going to experiment with some different shots. This is going to be kind of like a fake drone shot. You'll see my fingers, but the 360 1X2 does delete the selfie stick, and I can do it like this, or I can try to fake it and hold it like this, or you can throw it over your shoulder like so. It's really cool for getting low shots, and that's what's good about the Insta, is it doesn't really matter which way. Oh, somebody has a good time. Check out those burnouts. But it doesn't really matter which way you point the camera, because you're capturing everything all the time. So it really makes life easy. I did calibrate my 1X2 before I went on this little journey. I never even knew it had to be calibrated until I learned that from Fish. So thank Fishing Comics for teaching me that. It saved me some of the trouble that he was facing. And I know Ohio Fred, he's anxious to see what this camera can do. So hopefully he'll get some value from this, and maybe he'll get one himself if he sees how much fun it is. But it's a nice day today. It's actually pretty cool for this time of year in Florida. And I mean, I say pretty cool. It's going to be 85 degrees in a little bit, but it's still probably in the mid to upper 70s because it's still warming up. But let's check out some of what this camera can do. Hit the music. How's it going? Now I know that this is not a full, thorough review of what this camera can do, but I've had it for about 4 or 5 days. I really haven't gotten a real chance to use it. So I just wanted to take the few minutes that I had just to make a circle around the block so I could share some footage with you guys, show you some of what this camera can do, and give you something to look forward to, because I plan on getting really creative with this. I was even thinking about getting like a model rocket and launching it with a parachute or something, but we'll see if I can put all that together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out. People are going to think that Google Maps done got cheap and they hired people with one wheel to go around recording the neighborhood. You work for Google Maps? I sure do. Mm-hmm.